On top inside Edo today, and to make Edo secure state, make it for free from kidnappers. Nine Governor Godwin Obaseki don take do partnership with Nigerian Airforce for wetin dem call periodic aerial surveillance. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don do ogbonge talk with Nigerian Airforce to take assist him administration with periodic air surveillance to take do check on top the activities of kidnappers dem for Edo State. Governor Obaseki talk say him wan do this collabo because of the equipment wey dey for strategic operations units for Air Force, and say this one go help to make Edo State secure well. He talk this one when he received the new commander 107 Air Maritime Group Nigerian Air Force Base Benin Group Captain Nasiru Saidu for courtesy visit for Edo State Government House for Benin City. Say him administration dey gidigba to support Air Force operations. Governor Obaseki talk say him don talk with the Chief of Air Staff, say make he throw away him support come so that kidnapping go reduce for Edo State. Him still talk say as good government, dem go continue to dey do investment on top infrastructure like the night landing facility wey dem install for Benin Airport, wey na the new commander men na im dey secure am. We can see governor come talk say him go see wetin him go fit do on top the Air Force dem request for certificate of occupancy for their land, and him go try throw body put on top the land matter wey dey cause gbege. Governor talk say the comprehensive school and medieval facility wey Air Force wan build go benefit Edo people well. I'm saying him go make sure say dem build the school. Now so him go still try to build the Air Force flagship hospital for Edo State so that our medical system go dey well. Group Captain Nasiru Saidu, wey na him come replace Wing League Commander Fatai Ganiyu, come promise say him go do ogbonge collabo with other security agencies make dem for fit do check on top crimes for Edo State. Him come still say make governor help dem solve the katakata wey dem dey face on top their land matter. Na so we see this ogbonge updates reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don do collabo with Air Force so that dem go dey do wetin dem call periodic air surveillance to take stop kidnapping for Edo State. Make una no forget say this ogbonge update na Till Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una. Make una no forget to subscribe, like, and even comment for our videos for our YouTube channel on top Till Live Media TV, and for Facebook you fit like and follow our page for Till Live Media.